rooftop.
Hi guys, it is Kenzie. Welcome back to my channel. It is January 2nd. We are done with Vlogmas. If you guys didn't see my last video posted on this channel, it was the last day of Vlogmas, what I got for Christmas. It is my favorite vlog I've ever made, and if you guys haven't watched it, go watch it now. If you guys are new to this channel and you're just finding me, subscribe down below. Turn on the notifications so that you guys know whenever I post a new video. My schedule is going to be a little bit different this year. I am so excited for 2018. I love a fresh new start to a new year. It gives everybody so much motivation, a fresh clean slate, you know. My schedule for uploading is going to be Tuesdays and Fridays, which is normal. I usually upload on Tuesdays and Fridays before Vlogmas. But what's going to be different is I'm going to be uploading a weekly vlog every Friday. And then on Tuesdays, I'm going to be uploading a more high quality video, morning routines, more fun videos that you guys want to see, my workout routines, what I eat, like that kind of stuff. So if you guys have any ideas, be sure to comment down below those video ideas. And while we're at it, comment of the day. What is your favorite kind of video to watch? My personal favorite video to watch are just vlogs. I love family vlogs. My favorite YouTubers, if you're just meeting me, are Bertaley and David Dobrik. Make sure to comment down below your favorite videos to watch, if they're vlogs, if they're lifestyle videos, morning routines, room tours, stuff like that. And yeah, let's get started with 2018. I'm so excited. I'm actually, well, it's the second, so yesterday was the start of it, but I don't really count New Year's as like the start of the year, if that makes sense, and I've never really done that, which is weird because obviously it's the first of the year. I kind of think of it as like a reset button, and the first is like resetting everything, and then the second I'm like, yes, everything is perfect. So I'm starting off today watching a little bit of Rick and Morty. I have to use an illegal site, but I love it so much. So I'm watching that. I'm gonna answer some emails, drink some coffee, and then I have to head to school. If you guys didn't know, I'm a college student. I go to Salem State University. The classes haven't started yet, but I have to go meet with a guidance counselor. So yeah, hopefully this semester, I'm trying this semester to get mainly online classes, and then we're gonna hit up the gym later. Okay guys, I just got out of what I needed to do for school, and it is actually frigid out. I think it's like 11 degrees maybe. I'm so cold. It's also super icy out, so I'm gonna go to the gym right now. And I'm starving. I haven't eaten all day. It's like 3, I think. So I'm gonna go to the gym, maybe grab a smoothie, go home, eat some food, and then I think I'm gonna go hang out with Tori and her sister, Julia, and try not to slip and die on ice. And yeah, so that's my day. It's cold. And I'm wearing gloves, so I can't shut this off. Okay guys, I just got out of the gym, and normally, even if it's super cold and I get out from a really good workout, I'll walk out without a jacket and it'll feel like fine, obviously, because I'm like super hot for my workout. It is so cold, I can't do that. I'm still wearing my gloves. I'm freezing my butt off. Picked up this smoothie. I've never had a smoothie from my gym before, so that should be interesting. This is the chocolate banana protein shake smoothie thing, I think it's called. It has chocolate protein, half a banana, PB2, extra whey, almond milk. I think that's it. It's so good. It tastes like a melted fudgesicle. Oh, whoa. I'm gonna go home and work on my blog and eat because I'm so freaking hungry. Hello guys, good morning. I look a little insane. There's no mask right here, so I feel like I look like a Who from Whoville. Anyways, today is Wednesday the 3rd. This mask has been on my face for so long, it's starting to hurt. Planning my life out. I just got this calendar. Actually, I got this last year in 2017, and I needed a calendar really bad, but I realized that this one started in 2018. Didn't know that until I bought it. So I've been planning my life. I love planners. So water, I usually try to drink a whole thing of water, like 20 ounces at least, before I do anything in the morning. Now I'm gonna have my coffee. I'm so excited. I need to take a shower, and then I actually have work today. I picked up a shift, so I'm gonna go to work, and I don't know, I really want to not rearrange my room, but I need to update like these pictures I've had for like 2 years, and I want to change some of them. I have another desk that's upstairs that I need to bring downstairs, and just figure out my life. I registered for classes yesterday, so I'm a little less stressed out with life in general now that I've done that. So yeah, I'm gonna drink my coffee, and I'm watching Claudia's What I Got for Christmas. I'm just watching random videos right now. I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna steal one of my mom's, these multi-grain oatmeal little cup things. I know that these are filled with sugar, but we don't have plain just steel cut oats right now. So in fact, I don't really like oatmeal that much unless it has like no water in it and it's like not soupy. So it actually smells disgusting, and I don't know why. And I didn't put enough water in it at all. This is not ripe at all. What is wrong with me today? I think I'm gonna make some avocado toast, but I have no idea when we bought this bread. I feel like it was a really long time ago, and it's not moldy at all, but it's really doughy. Is that bad? I can't do anything correctly today, so these ones aren't as doughy lower in the package. We're gonna do it. Avocado 100% is gonna be too, it's gonna be rotten. Ew. This one doesn't feel ripe enough. It is! I'm so happy. This banana is still getting eaten though, so. Hello. Okay, here is my avocado toast. I only used half of an avocado. My avocado was pretty thick, plus I ate the banana, so I figured I could get away with half of an avocado. Also gonna try this Trader Joe's Everything But the Bagel Sesame blend. It just has like a bunch of seeds. Obviously that would be on a sesame seed bagel. It's a little crazy because I just got out of the shower, but my new favorite way to eat avocado toast is to put 2 egg whites on top. And I know egg whites do literally nothing for you. I think that they have like 2 calories each, no protein, just nothing, especially if you take the yolk out. So I just like the way it tastes, and yeah, so that's what I usually do, but I'm gonna try it with these instead, and then fill up. Tori got me this glass Starbucks tumbler for Christmas, and I love it. So I'm gonna fill this up and drink some water as well. And then I have to pick up my sister from school in a little bit. So actually like 10 minutes, so I should eat fast. Look how cool. I'm actually so excited to eat this because I love everything bagels. Let's get the good thumbnail. Does anyone ever feel like their eyebrows just don't ever match? This one's so squared off and this one's kind of rounded, and I can never fix it. I just recently got Shape Tape. I've been so late on the train, but I love it. I also think that all of my makeup right now is a little too light for me. Recently I've been hating doing my makeup because it feels so routine, and I think that I've just been like getting sick of it, because I haven't had a day where I like haven't been wearing makeup, so my wings are so different. I also have been using this mascara. This is the Urban Decay Troublemaker. This stuff I like, but I also hate. It is the one that's like sex proof. Jeffree Star did a video on it, and before I bought this, I watched it, and he really liked how it applied, and I liked how it looked on, but it like just did not stay on for anything. So I bought it anyways because I think it was on sale. The packaging is really cool. I love how it looks on my eyelashes, except for my eyes, like I said earlier, water a lot. So this is my go-to, the Lash Blast Waterproof. It's drugstore. I love it. Yeah, I like went outside for a second. It was so cold, my eyes started watering, and this stuff was dripping down my face. So I'm not gonna wear this today, but I do like it. But
I do my hair.